shipping to Poland. Hey, this is Mark from urelocation.com. Thank you for joining me and Julie for today's shipping segment. Without further ado, here's Julie.
Shipping to Poland can be tricky. That being said, with the right information and preparation, it can be less consuming and less expensive. Many people ship or move door to door to avoid customs and port clearance. However, doing so can be rather uneconomic. To avoid this, it might be wiser to ship it to a warehouse in Pomorskie, where you can pick it up. Because Pomorskie is high in ranking in population, it has more traffic, making it easier and less expensive to ship to. Another way to save is to ship it to Warsaw International Airport. Shipping or moving door to airport takes about 5 to 10 days. The cost is approximately $2 to $4 per pound. To get the best service, make sure your agent is IATA certified. IATA certified agents have a ranking system, thus more reliability. The documents that are usually required to ship to Poland differ depending on what you are shipping. If you're moving personal effects and/or household goods, then you should consider these three forms: a packing list, a commercial invoice, and a certificate of origin. Remember when filling out the forms to enter the correct country dialing code. The country dialing code for Poland is 48. You can find the link for all three below in the description. To really save, if you have more than 5 boxes, by sea shipping can be an option for you. You might save a substantial amount shipping to Gdynia. The beneficial thing about shipping by ocean is that it is based on the cubic feet of your items and not so much the weight. When shipping a car, however, door-to-door shipping can be very costly. You will find that most of the time, it will be a bargain to ship the car only to the port, such as the Gdynia port. Make sure that the year manufactured import guidelines are met. You can always double-check with the consulate or embassy of Poland. You should also check with the consulate or embassy if you are an expatriate moving or shipping to Poland. At times, if you are a student or a citizen moving back, they may have duty-free moving importing programs.
Thanks, Julie. Remember to visit the below links for quotes and general shipping information. This is Mark from uRelocation signing off. Thank you and have a good day.